Hi, I'm Mark from Mark B Reviews. This is a review of these hand grip strengtheners. That's the brand name. I'm not even going to try to say it because I'm going to butcher it, so this is what we're reviewing today. So they come packaged in this zip seal bag, and they're individually wrapped as well. Okay, so now that they're unwrapped, that's the name. As you can see, there is an adjustable resistance. So you can twist this knob and that will pull the spring further back this way or that way. So at the minute that's set to 10 kilograms. Yeah, that's not bad. I could probably do quite a few of those. If we twist this, you'll see the spring moving forward. It should make it a lot harder. Yeah, it does. It's probably too far. Turn it back the other way a bit. Go for somewhere around the middle. So in this little book that comes with it, it'll show you how everything works and some different exercises you can do with it. So if I hold it like this, it's more for the inside of your thumb here. You can hold it upside down, which is more for your bottom fingers. You can do it with just your index finger and your thumb, just your middle finger and your thumb. To be honest, I'll probably stick to the standard. So I've got both of them set to around the same place there. Just grab one on each hand. And you can see on the top of my forearm there. So the product listing says these are great for athletes and musicians. By musicians, I'm guessing maybe people who play the guitar and want to exercise their forearms or their hand strength for pushing the strings in. Possibly maybe drummers as well, not sure. But yeah, I can definitely feel that exercising the muscle in my arm there. And it's adjustable, so as you get stronger, you can tighten it up, make it a bit harder for yourself, and you could end up with forearms like Popeye. These are definitely much more advanced than the old hand grips I would have used. It was just two straight bars with like a spring coil in the middle, and you couldn't adjust it or anything. So once you got too strong for it, that was it. You know, you just had to do more reps. With these, you don't have to do 50 or 100 reps. You can just adjust the resistance and make it harder for yourself, and you can progress that way. So yeah, I think these are definitely a good buy for anyone who wants stronger forearms or hands, whether you're a musician or an athlete, or you just want to have big arms. This definitely seems like it's a good piece of kit for the price. I would recommend it. If you'd like to pick up a pair of these for yourself, there's a link in the description below as always where you can buy them from Amazon. I do get a small commission from that, but it doesn't cost you any extra, so if you decide to buy from there, I would really appreciate that. It helps to support the channel and keep the videos coming through. I hope you find this review helpful. If you have, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more videos coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one.